So my name is Peter Skytte. I'm working as a product manager for our stage lighting at Martin Professional, and what I'm showing to you here today is our Quadray system. And let me explain what the Quadray is about. Basically, the idea that born the Quadray system is that we have a front lens that moves across the beam. And when we have the front lens moving across the beam, it will actually deflect the light. So we have the light coming out in a different angle. So what you'll see here is that when I turn the button here, you start to get a lens rotating here, and it will take one of the beams out in a different angle. So this way, I can control each of the 4 beams individually. So I can have it all together as one single beam, or I can split it out in 4 beams. Each of the lenses are indexable, so I can index it on any position out there, or I can also make it rotate continuously. The fixture in itself, the Quadray works well AirFX fixture, which means that it's a hard edge fixture that can also be turned into a wash light. So I can pull in gobos, I can actually zoom on the gobos, I could turn it into just a single beam. I have a frost filler, so I can turn the fixture into a wash light, and all those things work with the Quadray lens installed on the fixture. Going back to the effects, we also made an effects engine into the fixture, so it makes it easier for the programmer to do some nice looks with the Quadray. So that's really easing the way of programming and allowing you to do much better effects. So, for example, I can do like a fan here with 3 beams. I can go to 4 beams, back again. So it's really easy in that way to create some nice looks. So the Quadray gives us a lot of possibilities. It's an effect we designed for the Viper AirFX. We designed it for the MAC III AirFX also. We launched it earlier this year on Pro Light and Sound. So it's already a fixture that's been shipping for a while in the market. But it's also a concept that's going to inspire us in the future for new products. It's a scalable system. Now we've done it with 4 lenses. We could do it with 5 lenses. We could do it with 10 lenses. We could do it with 100 lenses. But the whole idea is this deflection. By moving a front lens around, we deflect the light. So definitely that's going to be an inspiration for us for new fixtures coming out in the future. And when we look around, we already see that maybe some other people also is getting inspired by this nice idea. So that's a Quadray in a short version.